Thanks, Sarah. Great job. My name is Tanya, and I'm going to demonstrate how Jeopardy Labs can be used on mobile devices as a study tool for our students. Currently, there is not an app available to download onto our mobile devices, so the student will have to open a browser. Once they open the browser on their mobile device, they will go to www.jeopardylabs.com, and it's here that they will create a game. Again, it is right on their smartphone or on their tablet. Once you have opened up Create a Jeopardy game, you're ready to set up your study tool. The student can take information from their notes, from their textbooks, from their PowerPoint presentations, and they can actually put this information into their Jeopardy game. It is a great study tool. I recommend that students take information that they're not really grasping really well and put it into their Jeopardy game. I think it will help them with review, and it will also help them to learn new information. Once the information is set up, you are ready to go. The students can then go onto their mobile devices and begin to play Jeopardy. Or shall I say, they can begin to review and or study. Just a reminder not to forget your address. If a student forgets their address, they will not be able to go to the Jeopardy game that they created for themselves. So remember the address. And that's it.